In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Notion Peak Page Previews, one of the most underrated features in Notion that can seriously improve how you navigate databases and linked pages without constantly opening new tabs. Peak Previews let you quickly view page content in a side panel, center modal, or even switch to full page when needed, which is perfect for meetings, project management, and daily workflows. If you use Notion regularly, this is a feature you definitely want to master. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Alright, let's jump right in. To get started, open Notion and navigate to the page where you want to use Peak Previews. This usually works best inside a database, like Meetings Database, Tasks Database, or Project Tracker. Once you're inside Notion, go to the page titled Peak Previews in Notion, or simply create or open any database where you have multiple linked pages. Next, click into the title field and type in Peak Previews in Notion as the page title if you're following along with this example. This step isn't mandatory, but it helps keep things organized and makes it easier to see how Peak Previews work in real time. After that, type in the name of your database. This could be something like Meetings, Tasks, Projects, or any database you already use in your workspace. Once the database appears, click into it so you can see the list of pages inside. Now, click on any page inside the database. For this example, we'll click on a page called Meeting, but you can choose any page you want. By default, Notion usually opens pages in full page view, which can interrupt your workflow when you just want to quickly check information. This is where Peak Previews come in. With the page selected, look for the option to switch the peak mode. Click on the peak mode toggle, and you'll see different preview options appear. First, click on Side Peek. This opens the page in a panel on the side of your screen, allowing you to view the content while still keeping your main database visible. This is incredibly useful when you're referencing notes or checking details without losing context. Notion also provides other peak preview options. You can switch to Center Peek, which opens the page in a centered modal, or Full Page if you decide you want to fully dive into that page. Go ahead and click Full Page to see how it expands the page into the standard Notion view. Once you've reviewed the content, you can easily go back to the main page by clicking the back arrow or navigating back to your database view. Do this again to fully return to your main workspace. The beauty of Peak Previews is that you're always in control of how much detail you see without disrupting your flow. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use Notion Peak Page Previews to navigate pages faster, stay organized, and work more efficiently inside your databases. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, tutorials, and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.